And shifting focus to news from India, the Indian forces have killed a terrorist in an ongoing encounter in Jammu and Kashmir. The gun battle is still set to be underway in the Gudar forest area of Kulgam district. One officer of Indian Army has been injured and has been airlifted to Army's base hospital in Srinagar for further treatment. The operation was launched based on specific intel input that was provided by J&K Police, after which a joint team of the Indian Army, Jammu and Kashmir Police and CRPF initiated a cordon and search operation in the forested region of Kulgam. During the search operations, terrorists opened fire, which prompted a retaliatory response from the security forces. Parallelly, the National Investigation Agency is also conducting searches in at least 22 locations across 5 states, including multiple sites in Jammu and Kashmir. Raids are being carried out in close coordination with state police at the residences and premises of individuals suspected to have links with anti-national networks. In a separate development in the valley, the Border Security Force, or the BSF, detained a Pakistani national near the RS Pura sector in Jammu district. The individual was apprehended after suspicious movement was noticed near the border area. He is currently being interrogated as per the inputs received. For more on this, Idris, our senior special correspondent, has sent us this report.
One terrorist has been killed in an ongoing operation in South Kashmir's Kulgam district. Security forces had a tip-off about the presence of 2 to 3 terrorists in the Gudar forest area, after which a cordon and search operation was launched. And during the search operation, terrorists fired on security forces, resulting in a gun battle. So far, 1 terrorist has been killed in the operation, while as 1 Indian Army JCO has also been injured in the initial firing. He has been taken to the Indian Army's base hospital in Srinagar. On the other side, the National Investigation Agency has also carried out multiple raids across Jammu and Kashmir. In 3 districts of the Kashmir division, these raids were carried on in connection with terror networks across J&K. In total, there are around 22 locations across India that are being raided by the NIA today. With video journalist Feroz, Idris Sloan for WION World is One.